And then they want, remember the people them want to do something.
My manager.
Yeah, see?
Oh, yes, you're on duty.
Hi, what's up?
How do you do, Mom?
How are you?
I'm trying to do.
Passing through.
Oh, you sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, Mom.
Alright, me just do an update on
You're
the...
on duty with camera system.
Yes.
Step by step, man.
No. It's alright, you can come.
My manager.
Come in, sir.
Come.
I'll make a move this. Make a move this. Move this. Put this on, sir. Dog, let me.
Okay, so guys, we're at Mr. Lester house and we're doing an update on the house. Alright guys, this is the current structure of the house. I am in Mosquito Hill right here in St. Elizabeth, and guys, I am seeking your help in order to help us to complete the structure that we have here for Mr. Lester. Guys, remember, this is where Mr. Lester lived, into this rubble right up here, and he's moving out to go into the structure that we're finishing up now for him. So he's coming from that situation. When we came here, he was taking a nap, he was sleeping, and now he anticipates for us to complete the structure. So what has happened, guys, is that we have gotten the plyboard. There's somebody who pledged a plyboard. Somebody pledged a plyboard, right? And we're to collect the plyboard and to complete right here with the ply. And I am asking for a door. If there is anybody out there who can assist with a door so that we can put the door right here at the doorway, it would be truly appreciated. Did we get the toilet?
Yes, I have it.
So we have the toilet already. You're not going to part off in here.
No.
So in here will not be parted. So you didn't just have the bed. And also, guys, if you can assist with a bed, so we can put the bed here. So it's a bed and a chair. A bed and a chair would be appreciated, and maybe we can do with a couple tin of paint. All that. Oh, don't really. Mr. Lester said is that big. Oh God. You run gun? Alright, in Ghana, so we can continue. Yes. Alright guys, so please paint, bed, and a door. Paint, bed, and a door. I'm going to do an invoice to see if we can find out the amount for these things in order to finish up. But guys, please assist where we can just get a bed. There's a furniture guy that is nearby here. You know the furniture guy down the road?
I heard of it.
I can just ask him to do a bed for us, and I think he can do something reasonable. I can tell him to give me like a reasonable bed, and then we just buy a mattress and then we put it on. So that is what we want right now. This is a side. You're going to put a ply here.
Yeah, the ply, Mr. Don has a ply.
Oh, so the ply will cover this side and cover there.
Yeah.
What you're going to put on the roof?
What do you mean on the roof?
Like the zinc part. Saying look like me, I look through it.
You're gonna mesh it, you know.
Oh, you're just going to mesh it. Okay, so currently, oh, but you need more pipes for the toilet.
Well, when you get the toilet going on, we have to make pipes. So
Get the pipes to finish up. So just to put in the toilet, and you're sure you know want like board off a little when the toilet put in, like put a little, I put a little board up, yeah. To
don't have to, I mean, that guy, he's the one gonna be there, so.
yeah. So Mr. Lester, you don't sleep in there yet?
Oh no, Mom. Anyhow you find all, I'm satisfied.
Yeah, so but you're happy though. How you feel about it, knowing that the structure come on this far?
A broad change to my view, right?
Because you look a little bit happier.
Well, I was going to do a washing this day, but I go and touch some duty for Mr. Blake.
Yes.
President for the foundation at the school.
Okay. Okay.
Elijah Blake.
Yes.
My uncle, my granduncle.
Okay.
Yes.
So I see that you're happy and we're grateful for it, and when it's painted and everything.
Anything
So
of your duty to this, I'm happy to say thank you.
all right, hold this on me a little bit, let me ask. So guys, I am here with Mr. Lester, and I am asking you kindly, if there is anyone out there that can assist with the door. This is a project that I have to finish up, and I am depending on you to help me, please, to finish this project. I cannot do it without you, our valued people who help us at all times. So what we need right now is a door, we need a bed, we need a mattress. If it's either you purchase and send it to us, it would be appreciated, or you get somebody to come look, do the estimate, and then send it over to us. It would be truly appreciated. So that is what we need right now. And paint, we need some paint so that we can paint up the house in order for it to pull through. But where it is right now, how the structure is looking, we're feeling very good. Mr. Lester himself is happy, because when I came here, you can see the happiness on his face. He was smiling, and his level of reasoning is different, because he's seen a house now that he's going to live into, and I am depending on you. I also want to thank Melinda Jackson for ensuring that the project is up and running, because when I was ill, she, even though she's away, I think she's in Florida, she took the time out to ensure that the project is where it is at this moment.
There's that Miss Lisette also.
And Miss Lisette, right? And Miss Lisette, and also everyone else who has contributed to make the project where it is at this moment. Okay guys, I also want to thank Rosie Gems for helping. Your assistance is great. We're thankful for the plyboards. So what we're going to do is to get the other plyboards in order to move on, so that we can complete the building. We just want to thank you so much. And if there is anyone out there that can help us in order for us to get the door, to get some paint, and the bed up, and the bed, that is appreciated. All right, thank you.
Hopefully Mr. John would have been here today, because I was saying to him that you're going to be coming today.
So he would have been here.
Come by me, just put up the one sheet of ply.
You just put up the ply right now. You want to call him?
No, I called him earlier and he said not going to come until about Friday.
Oh,
I
guys.
wanted you to show it finished. I didn't want you to show it with this piece out in your dog. I didn't want to show
yeah, but we can just let them know that we have the ply already. So it's just the ply to go here, and we have it. So it's just for the ply to be delivered in order for we to finish up here, and then the door. But we definitely need the door, paint, and a bed for him to sleep on, right? So the bed is needed. Yeah, so let me go back to the front of the house. Guys, we are proud of the progress, and it's right centered right here on the mid. It's a lovely, reasonable house for him to be comfortable. The windows are in already. You can see the windows right there. So they're in. So in no time this will be completed, and then he will be able to move in. But we need your support, guys, in order to make this completed for us to be happy. Let me just do a quick reminder. This is where Mr. Lester is currently staying, and Mr. Lester would appreciate it. He's very happy that the structure is there, because I don't know if you have seen any other videos where I have updated to see where he's working on his house, right? We can't allow him to stay into this right now continually. Look at that. Look at that big old hole right there. You see the hole in the place, and we come in here, so we find the man sleeping. So guys, that is the new structure that we have put up, and it is almost completed. Almost completed. So right now we are depending on you for the help, and the support in order to make this a success at this moment. Right, guys? He's happy. He, is proud, and his demeanor has changed, and all of that, his level of reasoning also. So he's just grateful, right, sir?
No mosquito must not trouble you, man.
When me come here, you're always concerned about the mosquito them.
I don't want them to trouble you, man.
Yes.
Pray for them.
Yes. So guys, we're here in Mosquito Hill.
Yeah, man.
So we have a lot of mosquitoes here. So. But overall, guys, we're just grateful for this opportunity, for the house that we have here for him right now.
I said thanks to my people, to my visitor. I said gracias también, that is another thank you. Gracias también. That is the same thank you, sir. Okay, sir?
Alright.
To Mr. Autography. Thank you for your accommodation, sir.
Alright.
Thank for your interest, Mr. Builder. Mistress,
Yeah.
my secretary.
Yeah.
I say my secretary. Okay, mom. And I said, save me the journey to my secretary.
Yeah, man.
We are out of stock right now. We don't have not even a giant of cane right now.
Alright, that's fine.
So guys, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for supporting, but I need the help right now. I am asking you guys for the help. You can reach me on 1-876-919-2082 and also email taniachatjamaican@gmail.com. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.